Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your videos black and white in DaVinci Resolve. Now as you can see here guys on my timeline, I have a video of this girl running in colored, right? Now to put this video in black and white, all you have to do is just go to colors on the bottom here, and you want to ensure that you click on the color wheel. So there are multiple options here to play around with colors, but you want to click on the color wheel. And here the trick is, all you have to do, find the set option here and just simply double click on it and just type in 0. Once you type 0, hit enter, and you'll realize that your video is in black and white. Now you can play around with the shadows as well by simple dragging the shadow to the left or to the right. If you bring it to the right, it's going to make it a bit more lighter. If you want it darker, just simple drag it all the way down to minus as much as possible as you wish, and the video will have different shadows there. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.